The legendary BMW M1 might have only been around for a few short years, but its impact has been massive. It has been nearly half a century since the wedge-shaped, mid-engine supercar entered production, but it is one model that even today's BMW executives can't stop thinking about. "I'm in love with the original M1, but I would love to do a new one," said Frank van Meel, BMW M's boss, in an interview with BMW Blog. Oliver Heilmer, the head of M Design, echoed similar sentiments to the publication. While BMW has never made a proper M1 successor, the automaker has considered it on several occasions and even came close to producing a new one based on the 2019 Vision M Next concept. It has a 600 horsepower four-cylinder plug-in hybrid hypercar that was 95% finished, according to BMW author and historian Steve Saxty. The automaker was planning to launch the car sometime in 2022. Instead, BMW shifted its focus to the XM SUV and marketed the XM as the M1 successor. It has not been the hit that BMW was hoping for, with the automaker discontinuing the base version for 2026 and slashing the price of the XM Black label.